There's a crazy theory that no nuclear weapon was ever dropped in the history of humanity, and that nuclear weapons don't actually exist. Now, I know this sounds pretty crazy, especially when you're looking at a nuclear blast right behind me, but there's some validity to this theory. The first thing is that if you actually look at the nuclear test footage, the Nuketown test footage, it looks really weird. All the houses look very poorly constructed, all of the dust coming up and then suddenly it getting blown to smithereens. It almost looks like CGI or some sort of Hollywood production. Not only that, but all of the cameras seem to be perfectly fine. They must be the most powerful cameras on Earth. And another thing, if you go to Hiroshima, you can see that it is a thriving city. Same with Nagasaki. But what about all of the radioactive nuclear fallout that's supposed to be there for decades and even hundreds of years? You can actually tour Chernobyl. There's vegetation growing everywhere. It's perfectly fine. So where is the radioactive fallout? What actually happened in Hiroshima and Nagasaki? My theory is that it was actually just a bunch of series of fire bombings, because the United States literally bombed Japan back into the Stone Age. So if you look at the aftermath of the Tokyo firebombing, it actually looks just like the aftermath of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki nuclear bomb. This is Tokyo. Notice how there are still buildings standing. Some things are burnt down, other things aren't, because they carpet bomb. They just drop a bunch of bombs as they fly by. This is the aftermath of Hiroshima. So if there was actually a nuclear blast, wouldn't everything be completely obliterated? There would be nothing standing if atomic bombs actually exist. And the entire theory of an atomic bomb doesn't even scientifically make any sense. Do we have the power of God to change the fabric of reality? To split atoms? I made this video entirely for entertainment purposes only.